An automatic bread and toast bagging and sealing machine. This machine application for packing and sealing bread, toast, cakes, and other products. The machine can pack 3,000 to 3,700 products per hour. Temperature-independent pit control. Better adapt to all kinds of prefabricated bags. 18-axis servo motor and PCL control. The machine runs smoothly. New bag feeding design, efficient and stable. The operation is flexible. Lack of bag reminding function. Imitation artificial repair. Sealing more tidy, more hygienic. Man-machine interface. Convenient and quick parameter setting. The fault alarm screen is clear and concise. Welcome to order.